Hey guys, today we are going to talk more about 3D shapes. Now in today's lesson we're going to talk about something called composing shapes. Composing shapes is when you take more than one shape and create another shape out of it. The first thing that we're going to do today is look at the composing shapes worksheet. I'm going to show you how to do one side and then I'm going to ask that you complete the other side on your own. So what it says to do is color the shapes that make. And then it shows another shape that has been composed. So if we look here, we can see that it is made of two different shapes. I'm going to make that for you. On the very bottom, we see that it has a rectangular prism. And then on top of the rectangular prism, we see a cylinder. So if we would look at it from that angle, this is what we see. We see a rectangular prism with a cylinder on top. So what you're going to do for that one is color in the two shapes that are used to make that one. So first we'll start by coloring the rectangular prism, and then we also saw the cylinder, so we're going to color the cylinder. Then we'll move on to the next one. Color the shapes that make this. So if I look closely, I see that it's made out of a pyramid and a cube. So I'm going to put my cube on the bottom and then top it off with the pyramid. And there we go. Then we'll color in the cube and then the pyramid, just like that. Okay. Then the next one, this one's a little bit trickier because it's kind of hard to tell the difference between the two different shapes. But if you look closely, you can see that there's a shape on the bottom and a shape on the top. One's just darker. So if we look closely, we see that it's got a cylinder on the bottom, and then on top of the cylinder is a cone. Does that look right, guys? I'll turn it to the side so you can see it. There you go. So then we would color in the cylinder and the cone. And then the last one on this side is color the shapes that make that. So I see that there is a cube and a rectangular prism. And they're just stacked just like that. If I hold it to the side for you all to see the rectangular prism and the cube. So we can go ahead and color in the cube on top and then the rectangular prism on the bottom. Okay? So that's how you complete that side. On the back side, you'll see that there is another set. It shows, again, two different 3D shapes, and then you color in the two shapes that it used to make that new shape. So if we look closely, we can see two shapes again, and then two shapes here, and two shapes again. All you have to do is color in the two shapes that create that. If you have any questions about this, feel free to hop on Google Meet. I will be on from 1 p.m. until 2 p.m. every day. So go ahead and do that right now. Thank you.